Today we're creating some inspired floral typography, which is gonna be really fun.
So I'm gonna start with the word for us first here. I'm gonna do bloom.
You can go up to type and then click on glyphs, and it has everything that is in that font, every single glyph that is in that font.
I like to use the short version of this and just highlight the letter, and then it'll usually give you like the alternates below.
Fun. So then you can just double click to replace it, and then you have
Yes, you see the flow. Okay,
magic.
and I'm gonna give this little tail on that one as well.
Ooh.
I'm gonna turn this into a shape by doing Command-Shift-O.
Command-Shift-O, yes.
Because if you saw here, these were definitely separate shapes.
Yep.
So to make sure they're all one, so we could do a fill on them, I'm gonna merge them together.
Whoa, what a smooth zoom that was. That's right, because Illustrator's
say,
up to 10 times better and faster with pan and zoom.
It really is smooth. I won't make you guys nauseous by doing more of that, but it really is smooth. You'll have to try it for yourself. So make sure you update your app. So I'm gonna start with a circle here, and I'm gonna grab this point. I'm going for a little petal shape, and I'm gonna go object, go repeat radial. And I'm gonna expand this by going to object expand, and then I'm gonna go back to Pathfinder and merge this together to get this outline shape. Now I'm gonna click on my contextual toolbar and use Gen Shape Fill Beta. So let's do a red flower with water droplets. Our prompt, we have the strength of the shape, we have the detail, and then we chose the effect. Color and tone is gonna be fine for now, so I'm gonna click generate.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Fun.
And that's, again, when you're using Gen Shape Fill, it is going to be completely editable with all those different pieces in vector format, which is really cool.
So I'm gonna use the same shape, and I'm gonna generate a little bit different. I'm gonna do white flower with stripes and pollen. Ooh, I like this one
I like that one a lot.
Cool, I love it.
All right, more flowers.
Yes, I'm gonna do a different flower. So I'm gonna use a different petal, and I'm gonna make it a squiggly flower. So I'm gonna do Gen Shape Fill, and I'm gonna say, what's another color in the game? A yellow flower with lightning bolts.
Geometric, yeah. Oh, I love it. All right, so we have some flowers. We're kind of pulling things together, and right now the color's all over the place.
I want everything to reference this one now, I think.
Let's make a copy and rasterize it to use it as a style reference. Let's try that. But we can go in and let's go ahead and style reference. You can close out of that one.
Then choose asset.
And then choose asset, yeah.
That's so helpful. I really like this one. Okay, I matched the style of these to this asset using the raster version of the generation that we made. And now I'm gonna add an offset to this. So I'm gonna do object, path, offset, path. So I'm gonna click on this, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna click ungroup, and I'm gonna send this to the back. And now I'm gonna use generative pattern. Violet, lavender, gradient with dew drops. Oh, wow, look at this. That's fun. So we have our generations here. I have my swatch panel open. I'm gonna double click on the swatch to edit the swatch. And then I'm going to double click on the background, and I'm gonna click edit gradient. How fun! I love that.
Yes.
Do you want to walk us through how to scale up this pattern swatch?
Yes.
Okay.
Object,
Okay.
transform each. So from here, we can turn off transform objects.
Just pattern.
Just patterns, and now we can change the scale, we can move it, we can rotate, so we can do all those things at the same time in one panel.
Very cool.
Really easy way to work with a bunch of objects at the same time.
It's great to have this all in one place.
With that selected, you're gonna go to edit colors, and generative recolor. Orange sunset.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Yes!
I'm not even kidding.
Yes, orange sunset.
Cool, looks good. I'm gonna click out, double click out. Whoa.
Yay!
So we have our objects here. I'm gonna go for an intertwine. I'm gonna select everything and then deselect the background. Then I'm gonna go to object, and I'm gonna go to intertwine. So I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna choose the places that are overlapping and where I want it to hide behind. So I'm gonna click there to bring the letter to the front. I'm gonna put this one to the back.
And so this is a good example of kind of just prototyping really quickly to kind of come up with what your ideas are. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.